Hey guys, what's up? So for today's video, we're in my bathroom at the moment because I wanted to do a 0 to 100 get ready with me. I've seen these a lot on YouTube, so I thought I'd try it out. But yeah, if you want to see how I get ready, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the face mask, and it's this one. I get it from Target. They're like $2-3, and this one is the pore minimizing one. Nice and clean, huh? Okay, for moisturizer, I'm gonna take this one, and it's the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. I think this is probably what makes me oily, but I probably should have left the mask on
a little bit longer and I'll be fine.
Who's gonna side me? I'm gonna curl my hair now, and I'm gonna use this heat protectant spray. I don't really use it, but it's from IGK. It smells really good. Now that I've done enough curls, I just use this Function of Beauty. It's just an oil for, like, I guess after you're done doing your hair. Okay, so I'm gonna go change and let's get to the next. How weird do I look in a white shirt like this? I usually am always wearing black or dark colors, but it's getting a little hot and I like white t-shirt. So I'm just gonna be using this Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim in the shade Deep Brown. So for eyeshadows, this way, I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. Love this palette. So I'm just gonna be taking the shade G Money. So I want it a bit more orangey, a bit more deep. So I'm gonna be taking this color, and it's called Homebody. I was on the YouTube homepage, and you know how I recommend you videos because you watch this person, because you watch that person, or because you watch, you know, certain types of videos. So there was this one girl, and she was doing a video on hygiene. I literally just watched that one video and I was like, oh my gosh. And now all of a sudden my whole YouTube feed or whatever is full of hygiene videos. I don't know, guys. These videos hit different. And it's not to how to take a shower, how I wash my body. It's more like the products they use and everything. So like this girl, she uses a body wash for this, a body wash for that, a body wash for the front, a body wash for the back, a scrub, and this and that. And it's just like, but do I need to buy all of that? You know, I know that's just her preference and what she uses and everything, but girl, now I'm like, I need 6 different body washes, 3 different scrubs, 1 for my feet, 1 for my arms, 1 for everything. Like, you know, the thing that caught my attention is that she uses all these sweet smelling ones. So there'll be like brown sugar one, a coffee one, or something, which a coffee one, I want to check that out. But yeah, she uses all these sweet scented body washes and everything, which I'm totally into. I don't know if it's because I'm young and maybe that's why I like the sweet smelling fragrances and stuff like that, but I want to smell like a freaking vanilla cupcake. Get the vibe? I'm just taking the matte white shade that she has, and it's called Certified. For primer, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Water Drop Primer in Coconut. Now for foundation, I'm going to be mixing these two. It's the Milani one and then the NYX one. For concealer, I'm going to take the e.l.f. one. I'm going to be using this one, and it's contour light, and this one too, and it's contour deep. Just a mixture of both. To be quite honest, I really only bought this because, hear me out, I'm like a ride or die Jaclyn Hill fan. Like, uses this in a lot of her videos, so I was just like, let me try it out. For blush, I freaking love this blush. I don't know if they still sell it. Can you even see it? This one. It's the No Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in Desert Rose. I freaking love this. I got it in a BoxyCharm once. This is the reason why I fell in love with it. To go on top of that blush, I'm going to be using the Benefit Gold Rush blush, and it's this mini one. I got the mini one. Well, my sister actually gave it to me, but I've been liking highlighter lately, so this does it for me. Lips too, and I'm still using, honestly, I'm just sticking to these lipsticks because they're so good. It's the BFF ones. Alright, so I just put my lashes on, and then for the middle one, I'm going to be using the Kylie and Coco one in the shade The Bigger the Hoop. Oh my gosh, I didn't even say, you guys, my son says mom now. I can't even believe that. I need to fix my freaking lipstick. He says mom now, and I think that's the, I'm freaking eating my hair, but he says mom now. To finish up this look, I've been using this, and I've been extending my inner corner, which I'm still getting the hang of it. I'm still trying to like do it without messing up, but I've been using the NYX Epic Wear waterproof eyeliner, and the black one, of course. Clearly I messed it up. Would it really be a makeup look if I didn't mess it up? I'm completely over it at this point, but hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys did, please give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.